Today on CryptoFox, we'll look at the next probable destination of Cardano, whether it can reach $8 or maybe even $15 soon. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Cardano has been giving mixed signals across its charts with a lot of volatility in play. It has maintained its price range, trading at around $2.39 on the intraday. The current market situation has been deemed to be a positive mood, and there are expectations that the price could rise higher. The Cardano to USD pairing maintains that the buyers have taken full control of the market, thus causing the price to tend towards an uptrend. Cardano began the daily price analysis chart while the buyers took control of the market, causing the prices to surge, forming a head and shoulder pattern. The bullish trend didn't last long before the bears came in and caused a firm resistance that the buyers couldn't break through. The bears began to reverse the bullish trend. The buyers built a solid resistance at $2.30 that aided an upsurge to the intraday highs of $2.38. As long as the $2.25 support holds, we anticipate ADA-USD to rise and move higher. Most digital assets are bleeding, as indicated by the daily cryptocurrency heat map. The two giant assets, Bitcoin and Ethereum, are reading in negative market trends, recording drops. Bitcoin's price has dropped by 0.34%, while the second largest digital asset has seen more than 4% price decline. Binance Coin is trading in the same direction, recording a more than 1% drop. ADA-USD has dropped by 1%, and it is currently trading at the $2.35 to $2.39 price range. Another perspective that we see in the Cardano price action is that the coin has seen significant consolidation recently, with the beginning of a several-week climb following an immediate spike to $3.05 just days before the Alonzo upgrade. Cardano's price fell to around $2.50 at the end of August before rebounding by somewhere between 25 and 30% to $2.90. As a result, resistance was once again tested. The price dropped rapidly to $2.30 over the next week, where support was gained and retested several times. The Cardano price attempted to break through the $2.49 support several times before being pushed back. This implies that sellers were still in charge. A decline to $2.30 occurred, followed by a consolidation period back up to $2.40 yesterday. Cardano attempted to stage an upward recovery and break the $2.40 minor resistance. But the sharp upside was met by heavy rejection at $2.47, resulting in a medium red candlestick closing onto the lower limit of the Bollinger Bands at $2.38. Short-term swing traders have really been frustrated by the sad turn of events following the upgrade, as some analysts had their bet on the $5 post-upgrade trend. Cardano's price has been accumulating for over a month now, hinting that a volatile move is incoming. This accumulation phase seems similar to the one seen between November 8th and January 5th of 2021. ADA could head to $8.40 even if a portion of the fractal plays out. The price of Cardano is lying just above a support level at $2.35, and it seems like it could be set for a bounce to the upside. The predictive value for the resultant upside move is $8 as suggested by analysts. The belief of some prominent market players lies in the huge potential of Cardano both for the short term and the long term. The long consolidation it has had is expected to possibly resolve into a massive bullish breakout, pushing ADA to new all-time highs. Will Cardano be able to reach $8 or maybe $15? It can, if it gains enough traction in the last few months of the year. There are evident reasons why this is possible. First, the Alonzo upgrade is the most reassuring factor that we're considering in the potential of Cardano to hit these new all-time highs. The upgrade has opened the gates for the development of smart contracts and dApps on the Cardano blockchain. It was made public on the 12th of September using a hard fork configuration. This improvement brings smart contracts and a plethora of possibilities to it, all of which were highly anticipated. And it has already brought about the development of close to 20,000 smart contracts, which were pre-designed by developers on the Cardano network. Cardano shares a bit of history with Ethereum, but has never truly been considered a true competitor. The latest development more than evens the odds. Developers can now start building dApps, decentralized exchanges, and algorithmic stablecoins, which could evolve into a DeFi ecosystem similar to Ethereum. Although Charles Hoskinson believes that the current DeFi ecosystem being run by Ethereum is highly centralized and would be subjected to regulations by the SEC. And in truth, the SEC have also spoken out that the DeFi space will experience some crackdowns soon. Thus, he stated that the DeFi aspect of Cardano's functions is a better build and will scale through the trouble that may come with the incursion of the SEC. Regardless of the technical setups, if the fundamentals of an asset are strong, the price will find a way to cut through the noise and surge higher. ADA, however, displays an accumulation fractal that could propel it to new all-time highs, with its recent upgrade acting as a tailwind. An upswing is possible in the short term. Cardano's price accumulated for roughly 38 days between late November 2020 and early January of 2021, which was followed by a 600% bull run. Cardano's price has entered another consolidation phase since mid-August that looks similar to the one mentioned before. If a similar structure continues to unfold and ADA breaks out from the congestion, it will trigger an exponential rally. However, the confirmation of this run-up will arrive after Cardano's price produces a decisive close above its all-time high at $3.10. We hope to replicate some of the growth it's experienced this year in a surge of about 150%, which would possibly get us to a target of about $6. Analysts have suggested that if we could get the price to grow about 300%, we can reach about $8 and close to $10. But anything can go wrong in this market. It's subject to strong volatility. We can't be overly optimistic about any crypto's chances, especially if it's following the lead of Bitcoin in its price action. The Alonzo upgrade brings a whole different ballgame, but if Bitcoin price begins to crash violently as it did on September 7th or May 19th, it would push all the altcoins to do the same. What is our worst-case scenario expectation? Well, if the price of ADA falls to about $1.60, it could mean that the bears have taken over the market and the optimism will definitely die down. The coin will actually recover, but any sign of a downtrend could actually cause investors to sell and any future surge could be further delayed. Price predictions for Cardano are pretty solid even as the year seems to be running out. But we know that whatever happens towards the end of the year is often carried into the next year. It also gives us a direction about where the market is going. Some people are less bullish about the crypto market repeating the kind of run it experienced last year due to the series of pullbacks that we've seen this year. Cardano is one of those being celebrated in anticipation of just how big it could get in the short and long term. With ADA crossing $1 this year and going as far as hitting an all-time high of $3.24, the market is collectively optimistic about the asset surging significantly in the long term. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.